Hello, everyone. This is your daily brief looking at gold futures. Prices jumped up. This was a 3% up day. That was a big day. I think some of it was short covering. Some of it, people wanted to hedge their positions going into the weekend because who knew what was going to happen with the Middle East. So its prices are backing off a little bit today. We're going to see if we can get above this level this week or October. Would be ideal. So, but when the next week or two, I'd love to see a strong breakout above this level. If we get above 1950, I think we can challenge 2000. And if we go through 2000, then hey, we're possibly looking at new highs before the end of the year. To the downside, I want this 1900 level to hold. So I think if this holds, great. If it doesn't, then prices could come back to fill the gap around 1845. We'll see. Moving over to silver. Silver, I noticed this looks like we have a undercut low here. Okay, so what happens is prices find support, and then they break through it, reverse, and then they go in the other direction. I had a pretty good example of that. Let me find it real quick. Okay, I have it pulled up now. So this is the dollar. This was back earlier this year. Prices made it kind of a double bottom, rolled over, broke below it. We had an undercut low, and then prices rallied. By the way, I missed this whole thing. I saw prices get back above here, but I was in denial. I'm like, there's no way it's going to roll back over. And it just kept going. So that's a beautiful example of an undercut low. Prices just continue to rally despite everyone's sentiment. So is that happening in silver? We're going to jump back over to silver. Could this be happening in silver? I don't know. We have a double bottom. Prices broke down, reversed, and we're going to find out if prices continue into November, late October and November, and they break out above this $26 level. Then I'm going to say this is a legitimate breakout. To the downside, I'm looking at $22. If we see like progressive closes below $22, then that means this correction is not over. Gold miners, the level to watch here, this is GDX, the daily chart. 2770, that's where prices closed on that bearish day, and then they gapped all the way up here. So this is where the true gap support level is. If prices close below 2770, then we're probably in for more consolidation. We got a couple more gaps to fill below that, but that would be my initial sign that okay, things aren't so great and we're probably not going to break out right now. In the meantime, I'm looking for a strong move, preferably a gap through this area within the next few trading days. If we get one through this area and we quickly challenge $30 plus, then I think this could be the beginning of a stronger move. We're just going to have to see. Right now, prices are consolidating. The next few days are pretty important. Natural gas is coming back to this level around $3. Really, I'd feel more comfortable calling 290 support. So, yeah, as long as 290 to $3 holds during this back test, then I think we could continue higher. We'll have to see. All right, that's it for now. Hope everyone's well.